If you're looking for a PDM system that doesn't require servers or an IT department, can be accessed from anywhere, has automatic backup, security, and out-of-the-box configuration, just check out the cloud services that come included with all new seats of SOLIDWORKS. This is what Google Drive or OneDrive would be if they were made for CAD users. You get the performance of locally cached files with all the benefits of cloud storage. Sharing your files externally for markups and redlines is just the beginning. This part has come back with more ideas for saving weight, and I've made the changes to the model and want to share it with the rest of the engineering team. I'm simply going to save this into 3D Experience to the official 3D space and make this a new revision with comments. I'll unlock the file and save it in so others can see my new work and take write access to it. And of course, my revision comment and revision value is available in a table on the face of the drawing. If we're all happy with this, we can start making use of the maturity and send this file from in work to waiting on approval all the way to released. And of course, because this is a database, searching and finding data is easier than ever. The search is immediate and goes deep into metadata and across descriptions, names, and part numbers. Know who's working on what at all times. And because your data is on the cloud, it's even accessible to non-CAD users and product managers who can set up dashboards, visualize data, and manage your teams and projects from anywhere. Explore and filter the structure of your design or run comparisons of geometry and properties, all without ever having to open SOLIDWORKS. The same search tools are available right in the web browser, so we can filter down and find exactly what we're looking for with cross-highlighting in the interactive 3D preview. To go further, we can tag items with our custom properties or metadata. For instance, if I want to search for all components that are left in the maturity state waiting for approval. And perhaps I'm not the only person who can approve and release files, and I need to bring some others into the fold. When you're ready to formalize your release process, you can make use of routes, which are customizable linear or parallel approval tasks assigned to members of your team. Once the tasks are completed, you'll have full access to the sign-off history, and the route will automatically update the status of the attached designs and even send out notifications.